Hey, Alex here with Map Ranking, and I'm gonna be doing a quick scan on the Google Maps area. I'm gonna do a Google Business Profile ranking check for a car detailing ceramic coating PPF installer in San Jose. Let me start with ceramic coating in San Jose. I'm gonna scan this. Let's cover the entire area of San Jose, 7 miles, and let's do run a scan for ceramic coating, and then I'm also going to be running a scan for PPF. Let's do PPF installer in San Jose, and let's do also um, 7 miles so that we can cover the city of San Jose. 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 miles we're covering all of San Jose, Cupertino, Santa Clara, all the metro area where people could be looking for a PP installer. And let's do run a Google Business Profile scan and see what we're ranking in. I'm gonna go back. Let me see if the one for ceramic coating is finished. Ceramic coating in San Jose is finished. So good job. So we are right now ranking everywhere you see a star with a number one, it means we're the number one position. If someone owns a new car and they're looking for a ceramic coating shop, ceramic coating installer in San Jose, anywhere you see the number one, we're the number one position. Everywhere you see the number two, say they're in Santa Clara, we're number two. Say they are in Cupertino, number one. Say they are down in Los Gatos, which is a very good area, number one. If you see a number two, it means we're position two on the Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile show at the very top, even before the websites start showing. If you see a number three, that means we're at the position number three. So we're still in the Google Maps three pack. We want to see this area green throughout the entire city. And if there's some orange with positions 4, 5, those are areas we're still optimizing, which we're going to be moving to be on the top three positions very soon. If there were any red on this map, it means we are not even in the top 10. We're way too far. SEO has not kicked in, and we're not doing a good job yet. Let me go back and check for PPF installer so we get a good idea. PPF installer in San Jose. And let me see what's going on with this service. Great job as well. So we are ranking in the top three, mostly the number one position on Google Maps for PPF installer in the entire San Jose area and vicinity and nearby areas, except for these orange spots, which we're still optimizing. They were in positions 4 or 5. So overall, this is a great job. I invite you to contact us at Map Ranking to go ahead and start ranking at the top in the top three pack of Google for your ceramic coating, PPF, car wraps, window tint, or car detailing business.